Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the kitchen to examine the Rachael Create Delicious Stainless Steel Cookware Set, a 10-piece collection designed to bring both performance and a splash of color to your culinary adventures. If you've been looking for a cookware set that's built to last, performs reliably, and makes cleanup a breeze, then stick around because this might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Let's start by breaking down what this set actually offers. You get a total of 10 pieces, which generally includes a variety of pots and pans to cover most everyday cooking needs. The core material is durable, polished stainless steel, known for its excellent heat distribution and longevity. This means you're less likely to encounter those frustrating hot spots that can scorch your food. The set also boasts etched measurement markings on the inside of the pots and pans. This is a really thoughtful feature, as it eliminates the need for separate measuring cups for many recipes, streamlining your cooking process and reducing the amount of dishwashing you'll have to do. One of the standout features here is the induction-suitable base. This is crucial for modern kitchens as it ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. Beyond just compatibility, this base is engineered for ultra-strength and durability, promising a long lifespan for this cookware. And when it comes to serving, those flared rims are a small detail that makes a big difference, allowing for easy and mess-free pouring of liquids, sauces, and gravies. Now, let's talk about the handles and lids. The set features double-riveted stainless steel and silicone handles. The dual riveting provides a strong, secure connection to the pot or pan, meaning you won't have to worry about them loosening over time. The silicone adds a comfortable grip, which is important, especially when dealing with hot cookware. Plus, these handles are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a fantastic feature for dishes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven, like casseroles or braised meats, without needing to transfer your food to a different oven-safe dish. The lids are made of shatter-resistant glass, allowing you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks without lifting the lid and losing precious heat and moisture. And, of course, the entire set is dishwasher safe. This is a massive win for busy home cooks who want to spend more time enjoying their meals and less time scrubbing pots and pans. So, what are the pros of this Rachael Create Delicious Cookware set? First and foremost is the versatility. With 10 pieces, you have a pan or pot for almost any task. The stainless steel construction ensures even heating and durability, and the induction-compatible base adds to its universal appeal. The oven-safe handles up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit are a significant advantage for many cooking techniques. The etched measurement markings are a practical and time-saving addition. And finally, the dishwasher-safe nature of the entire set makes cleanup incredibly convenient. However, no cookware is perfect, and there are a few potential cons to consider. While stainless steel is durable, it's not inherently non-stick. This means that some foods, particularly delicate ones like eggs or fish, might have a tendency to stick if you don't use enough fat or if the pan isn't properly preheated. For those who are accustomed to non-stick surfaces, there might be a slight learning curve. Also, while the handles are comfortable and oven-safe, they aren't necessarily designed for extreme heat, so you'll still want to use oven mitts when removing cookware from a very hot oven. Lastly, the light blue handles, while adding a stylish pop, might not be to everyone's aesthetic preference. Some might prefer a more classic, monochromatic look in their kitchen. In conclusion, the Rachael Create Delicious Stainless Steel Cookware Set is a strong contender for home cooks looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-clean set. It offers excellent value with its thoughtful features like etched measurements and oven-safe handles, and the induction compatibility makes it a great choice for a wide range of kitchens. While it's not a non-stick set, the benefits of stainless steel, combined with the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleaning and the ability to crank up the heat in the oven, make this a really compelling option for creating delicious meals. Link in the description.